Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, in this video I will show you how to use the wave equation. Wave equation V equal to F lambda. V is the speed of the waves. Okay, F is the frequency, lambda is the wavelength. Okay, look at question number 25. Okay, given that the wavelength, so this is the wavelength. Okay, 2 times 10 negative 5 meter. Don't forget that one, it is negative 5, it's not to the power 5. Calculate the frequency of this infrared radiation. So as we know, the one of the properties of electromagnetic waves in the electromagnetic spectrum, they are all travel at the same speed. What is the speed? Okay, 3.0 times 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That is the speed of light in vacuum. So again, lebih suka the main formula first, then after that you are asked to find frequency. Okay, make F the subject of the formula. F equal to V over lambda. So what is the speed? The speed of light, okay, times 10 to the power 8 meter per second, okay, divided by what is the wavelength, 2 times 10 negative 5 meter. So what is the answer? Don't forget, this is frequency, so the answer is in hertz. Okay, so 26, given that the frequency of the radio waves is 1 hertz in vacuum, calculate the wavelength of these radio waves. So again, write down the main formula, V equal to F lambda. You are asked to find wavelength, so make lambda or wavelength the subject of the formula. Okay, so the speed, where's the speed here? Okay, in vacuum, okay, a speed of light 3.0 times 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by 1 hertz. Oh, jadi je 1 hertz, so sama lah je jawapannya. 3.0 times 10 to the power 8. Don't forget the units must be in meter. Okay, that's it. So we done for question 25, 26. Now we look at 27. So 27, a light ray has a frequency. Kita ni zoom ya, kita ni zoom supaya nampak. Okay, a light ray has a frequency of 1 times 10 to the power 13 hertz in vacuum. Calculate the frequency of the light ray traveling in a piece of optical fiber with the refractive index of 1.62. Okay, the frequency is here. Okay, and it's traveling in a piece of optical fiber with a refractive, or dicampurnya topik electromagnetic waves sama refraction of light. So sana, so ada formulanya gitu sana sebenarnya. You check your notes balik, ada formulanya. But this one is a trick question, so I don't know why ia bagi 3 sana. Maybe it's a trick. Okay, this is the meaning, the fingers here is mean by the difficulty as you increase from 1, 2 and 3. 3 is the most challenging question. So I don't know why this is most challenging questions, because for me it's just a trick. So it's very straightforward. Again, the properties, you need to remember that one. The properties of the electromagnetic waves in the electromagnetic spectrum, the frequency does not change. Okay, you need to remember that one. Again, kalau boleh sebutkan menawang sana, the frequency does not change. Okay, so meaning is the same way, is the same. Ini lah, this one. So see, the only change, okay, is wavelength and speed as it travel from one medium to another medium. Sana, the frequency remain unchanged. Sana lah to trick this one, because ni lah, For student, if you look at the question, you are given this number. Oh, so there must be ada formula. Ada formula ni mesti buat. Cari formula apa. Tapi sebenarnya ada trick. It's just recalling the frequency of the waves does not change. Okay, so remain the same here. So that's it. So in this exercise or in this video, I show you a lot of things actually, how to use the wave equation v equal to f lambda. So it's up to the question. They may ask you to find the frequency, they may ask you to find the wavelength, they may ask you to find the speed of the wave. So sometimes kalau MCQ, they will ask you the speed of light. So ingatkan, you have to remember this one. 3.0 times 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, speed of light, speed of light. Nampak? Ini exponential 8. Nampak tak? Exponential 8. E 8 10 to the power 8. Okay, come on guys, it's simple actually. Make it fun. Okay, make this up.